Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
And Ibn Masud were one of them. When Uthman compiled those Quran, Ubay bin Ka'b and Ibn Masud were not among one of them. And I have prepared charts. The variations in Ibn Masud's Quran and the present day Quran. And I don't want to speak without evidence. I will quote from Abdullah Yusuf Ali's book itself. I am quoting from Abdullah Yusuf Ali's Quran. In Abdullah Yusuf Ali's Quran, Surah chapter 33, in footnote number 3674, he says, in some of the Qira'as like Ubay bin Ka'b, the word, he is a father of them, is also there. He is a father of them, is also there. In the present day Quran, that word is not there. In Ubay bin Ka'b's Quran, it is there. Quran is perfectly preserved. Nobody will believe in these times, brother, that. Now, if you want to debate, I have a separate debate on that, Quran or the Bible, you will not be able to stand even for 1 minute. Today, you have not given me a single point refuting Jesus, divinity of Jesus. And he can never, never, never do that. Now, brother, went to Greek mythology to explain Trinity. I can take Oriental Encyclopedia and prove to the brother. In Oriental Encyclopedia, it says, Tawhid was the belief of the Egyptian magicians. The same Tawhid what brother believes. Now brother spoke about Arius and Emperor Constantine, and he told that it was during the time of Emperor Constantine that the Trinity was established. Get your facts correct before you speak. Emperor Constantine did not support Trinity. He supported Arius. Arius was the one of the heretic who denied the divinity of Jesus, like how Brother Imran denies it. And Emperor Constantine supported it and asked them to reinstate him into the church. But on the day before the Arius was reinstated, Arius died, was struck supernaturally by God, and he died. That made Emperor Constantine rethink about his position. Later he supported Trinity. Not fast. For facts, get your historical facts correct. Now speaking about Tom, Jerry and all, those are personal insults. I will not do that, because that is fitting more to an entertainment than not to an educative program or educative program. I will not entertain doing that. Brother Imran said ministry of Jesus was limited to the Jews, and he said Jesus called the Samaritan woman as dog. If only Brother Imran applies the same criteria, in Surah chapter 28 verses 46 to 47 and 32-33 says Muhammad was sent to people who had no warners before. Who are these people who had no warners before? It was the Arabs. So Muhammad was sent only to Arabs then. Similarly, Quran is given in Arabic, Surah chapter 2, 136, 165 to 167, and so many verses. Now Brother Imran may quote that Muhammad was for the entire mankind. In the same way, I can show you the ministry of Jesus first was to the Jews and to the entire world. In Jesus' own words, his death was for the salvation of the entire mankind. Matthew chapter 20 verse 28. Gospel message has to be preached to the all mankind. Matthew chapter 10 verse 18. His kingdom includes people from all nations. Matthew chapter 8 verse 11 to 2. How do we understand that? The Bible itself explains it. Bible says in the Old Testament and in the New Testament, that ministry of Jesus first was to the Jews and then to the entire world. In fact, his own Quran says that. Quran says in Surah chapter 3 verse 49 and Surah 43 59 that Jesus' ministry was limited to the Jews. However, the same Quran says in Surah chapter 19 verse 21 that Jesus was assigned to all the people. Brother Imran said, he again compared Greek mythology and he spoke about the Holy Spirit, indwelling, Holy Spirit coming upon Mary. But he doesn't know that in Surah chapter 21 verse 91, Allah himself said, we breathe into her our spirit. And in Surah chapter 66, 12, Allah said, we breathe into her our spirit. So first, stick with your Quran before you abuse the Bible. Brother Imran said, Muhammad Sahib became poorer and poorer because of his prophethood. Quran contradicts him. In Surah chapter 93, verse 96 to 8 says, did he not find thee an orphan and give thee shelter and care? He found thee wandering or in error and gave him guidance. He found thee in need and made him independent, in some other translations, rich. However, Sahih Bukhari, volume 3, 495 says, Allah made the prophet wealthy through conquest. So, Brother Imran, first check your hadith before you speak. Brother Imran applied some scholars' criteria to say that Muhammad Sahib was bigger. I will show him from his own Quran that Jesus is greater and superior right now. Let's go ahead. Mother of Jesus, in Surah chapter 3 verse 42, it says, Mary is above the woman of all nations. Now the disciples of Jesus, in Surah chapter 3 verse 35 says, disciples of Jesus are superior to others. In Surah chapter 5 verse 111 says, disciples of Jesus were inspired. Followers of Jesus, in Surah chapter 61 verse 14 says, followers of the Jesus are the ones who prevailed. Now titles for Jesus.